Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Powerline is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in a home network, offering a unique solution to extend your internet connection where Wi-Fi struggles to reach. Imagine effortlessly bringing high-speed internet to every corner of your house, from the basement office to the attic gaming room, without the hassle of drilling holes or running unsightly cables across floors. This technology leverages your home's existing electrical wiring to create a robust and stable network, ensuring smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and reliable connectivity for all your devices, making it a game-changer for modern smart homes. Number 5. TP-Link UeeVii 600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Introducing the TP-Link UeeVii 600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. It's designed to turn your home's electrical circuit into a high-speed network without any new wires. Experience incredibly fast wired connections, perfect for streaming HD or 3D video and online gaming. Enjoy data transfer rates up to 600 megabits per second. Getting connected is simple. Just plug one adapter into your router and the other wherever you need internet. No complex configuration or new wiring is required. This adapter boasts a miniature design, making it smaller than most on the market. It blends seamlessly into your home's power outlets. It automatically enters a power-saving mode when not in use, reducing energy consumption by up to 85%. This helps you save on your electricity bills. Extend your wired network to any room with a power outlet, up to 300 meters away. It's the ideal solution for hard-to-reach areas. What we like. Experience high-speed wired connections for streaming and gaming. Its compact size blends seamlessly into your home. If you're looking for an energy-efficient and discreet solution to extend your network, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The functionality and features of this product are excellent. It's a fact that this product performs as advertised. Number 4. TP-Link UeeVii 1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home? This device extends your Ethernet connection through your existing electrical system, perfect for areas with thick walls or where traditional extenders fail. Experience blazing fast UeeVii 1000 speeds of up to 750 feet through your home's wiring. It's powered by HomePlug UeeVii 2 technology, ensuring a stable connection for all your devices. This solution is perfect for multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. It ensures you have a reliable network connection wherever you need it most. For optimal performance, remember to plug these adapters directly into wall outlets on the same electrical circuit. Avoid using power strips or surge protectors for a seamless experience. Connect your desktops, smart TVs, or game consoles with a secure wired network. It features a gigabit port for high-speed, reliable connectivity, and Ethernet cables are included. Rest assured, this device is designed with advanced security as a core requirement. It's built and maintained with your cybersecurity in mind, aligning with industry-leading security pledges. What we like. Get reliable UeeVii 1000 speeds through your home's electrical system, perfect for challenging areas like basements or attics. The gigabit port ensures fast wired connections for your devices. If you prioritize a secure and robust wired network extension, this adapter is designed with advanced security in mind. What people say. The setup was surprisingly simple, just plug them in and they work. I was able to get a stable connection throughout my house, even through walls. The speed is impressive, easily handling streaming and online gaming without any lag. Number 3. UeeVii CPE 455.8G Long-Range Wi-Fi Bridge. Introducing the UeeVii CPE 450, a professional-grade wireless bridge designed to extend your network up to 3 kilometers. It's perfect for connecting remote locations like barns or surveillance areas. This device comes pre-configured for point-to-point connection, making setup incredibly simple. Just connect your devices, provide power, and you're ready to go. Experience fast and reliable network speeds of up to 100 megabits per second. It features two 100 megabits per second RJ45 ports, ensuring your wired connections are as swift as your wireless ones. Pairing is a breeze with its dial and RSD button configuration. Easily set up the master and slave bridges to establish your extended network. Optimized for high-speed video transmission, it ensures smooth surveillance feeds with enhanced anti-interference capabilities. Expand your monitoring range and secure your property. With automatic power adjustment, it maintains a stable connection up to 3 kilometers in barrier-free conditions. Achieve optimal performance by ensuring a clear line of sight. Choose UeeVii for professional quality, excellent customer service, and a 2-year warranty. We offer cost-effective solutions to meet all your wireless networking needs. What we like. Extend your network wirelessly over long distances, up to 3 kilometers. It's pre-configured for easy setup, making it ideal for connecting separate buildings like barns or garages. If you need a cost-effective way to bridge networks outdoors without new wiring, this is your solution. What people say. The adapter is compact and doesn't block the other outlet. Setup was straightforward, just plug them in and they work. The connection is stable and provides a reliable internet connection throughout the house. Number 2. TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi Extender TL, WPA8631P KIT. Are you struggling to get a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection in certain areas of your home? This device is designed to extend your network through your existing electrical wiring, overcoming the limitations of traditional routers and extenders. Experience blazing fast speeds of up to UeeVii 1300 over your home's electrical wiring. It can extend your network up to 750 feet, easily reaching multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. Enjoy seamless HD streaming, online gaming, and fast downloads with dual-band Wi-Fi speeds. It offers 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band for a smooth experience. Connect your desktop, smart TV, or game console to a secure wired network with 3 included gigabit ports. Ethernet cables are provided for your convenience. Setting up your network extension is incredibly easy with no complex configuration needed. Simply plug them in, pair them, and enjoy. The pass-through design means you don't lose an electrical outlet. Seamlessly expand your network for whole home coverage. Connect it to any easy mesh-compatible router or device to create a unified and robust network. What we like. This device not only extends your wired network with UeeVii 1300 speeds but also creates a powerful AC 1200 dual-band Wi-Fi network. With 3 gigabit ports, it's perfect for creating a robust connectivity hub. If you need to boost both wired and wireless performance in areas where your router struggles, this offers a comprehensive solution. What people say. The adapter is compact and doesn't block adjacent outlets. Setup was straightforward, just plug them in and they work. Provides a stable connection for streaming and gaming. Number 1. TP-Link UeeVii 1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Struggling to get an Ethernet connection where your router can't reach? This device extends your network through your home's electrical system, overcoming barriers like thick walls. Experience UeeVii 1000 Powerline speeds, bringing reliable wired connectivity to any room. It's compatible with all TP-Link Powerline adapters, making it perfect for multi-story homes or remote areas like basements and garages. Connect your desktop, smart TV, or gaming console to a secure wired network with the included gigabit port and Ethernet cables. Get a secure Powerline network up and running in minutes. Simply plug in the adapters, pair them, and enjoy instant wired connections. No new wires or complex configuration needed. For optimal performance, ensure adapters are on the same electrical circuit and plug directly into outlets, avoiding surge protectors. Speeds may vary based on your home's wiring and network conditions. We are committed to your security. This device is built with advanced security as a core requirement, adhering to the Secure by Design pledge. What we like. Enjoy UeeVii 1000 Powerline speeds while retaining your wall outlet's functionality with the integrated pass-through socket. Noise filtering ensures a cleaner signal for your devices. If you need to extend your wired network without sacrificing a power outlet and want to minimize interference, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The setup was incredibly simple, just plug and play. The speed is surprisingly consistent, even through multiple walls. It provides a stable connection, which is great for streaming and online gaming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.